So, hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias. And hello to all my Yummylicious around the world. How are you there? So, today we are going to unbox my favorite perfume. Okay, guys, someone give this to me. And I know, guys, some of you, we have our different scents. Like for me, I love a strong perfume. Okay, I want a very strong perfume. Or for men, I don't like sweet. Okay, but some of you, because there are different kinds of fragrance or scents. There is some woody, amber, floral, and fresh. Okay, but for me, I love strong scents. Okay, so guys, we're going to unbox now. So actually, this is Arabic perfume, guys, as you can see. So this is very cheap only, guys. As you can see, I have 5 pieces here. 5 pieces, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 here. Okay, so now we're going to unbox. How are you guys? Good, long time no see. So here we go. I will not mention the brand of the perfume anyway. Okay, this is very nice. Ooh. Smell good. Okay. This is very nice, guys. See? So one more. Okay, this is oud. Okay. Let me check, guys. Anyway, this is how you will, if you want to try the perfume, you just spray from here and then just rub it. This is a strong one. Yeah. Smell good. Feeling fresh. So we open out the 2 next. Okay. Wow. Prestige, Special, and Jazab. Let me check, guys. All of this perfume, I love it. I can't say no. I can say this one is not good because for me, guys, I love perfume. So another one. Okay, wow, it's color red. Yeah. Let me check, guys. Smell amazing. And then there is another one. This is for the perfume actually. I think this is for the clothes, for the, if you iron, and then let's check first. Oh my god, guys, it's very refreshing. Nice. So guys, if you love the perfume, you buy it now. No, what I mean is actually I have many collections of perfume. So that's why I always buy, or someone, if someone will ask me about what is your, you know, if they give something for me, if there's a special occasion, they know already what they give to me because I love this perfume, guys. Okay, any brand, any brand, it doesn't matter for me as long as that it's a perfume. So okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias. Bye, guys. See you soon.